Hello guys, Harmony for Objection, back again with the newest news as we always never promised. Today I brought for you the Apple Gold Milanese loop. This is just the bracelet. I want to show you the bracelet, how it looks like, the gold one, original and everything. And I want to show you in another video what's different between her and the fake one. As we see here, Milanese loop, right? I don't know. They say that this is gold, but listen to me, guys. This is the price for it. Okay, and here they write for you, Apple, California. Okay, listen to me, guys. I'm gonna tell you something. This gold, it's not a real gold. As I understand from the shop for gold here, he explained for me. He said for me, it's just a layer gold. You got, it's not all of it gold. It's just a layer, okay? So you know, I guess this spray for gold, or this is just a layer from up, not of gold, which is mean it's 18 karat gold. Okay, let's put out and see. Okay, here's the, we put out it from box. Oh la la, wow, it's so shining. There is really different between it and the let's put out the nylon. Wow. Wow, it's really, wow, it looks so great. So beautiful. What is this? Oh, something stick. Okay, really, it looks so beautiful, so gorgeous. Looks so shining. It's way different from the original and fake. Damn, it's so sticky. Oh, come on. Why are you like this? See? Let's see the other side. It's written, this is the one of the things, it's written in stainless steel. The original have this stainless steel, and here they write assembled in China. Wow. You know, guys, what I like in this original one, that you're not catching the hair of my hand. You know, before I bought this, I was so scared that this will catch my hair in my hand, and every time this will bother me. But honestly, it's not catching your hair at all. And so it's heavy, you got me? It's heavy. It's not easy to carry. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We will see you again in another video. Damn, looks how shining, so beautiful. We will see you again in another video with Harmony for Objection. And with fake versus the original, we'll see which one is the original. Peace and love, and please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up or down as you wish, or put thumbs in the middle.